Hello and welcome to our weekly wraps. I am your host Sheen Musa, bringing you the biggest headlines and insider scoops to keep you informed. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and click that bell icon so that you never miss an update. Kicking things off, major news in the retail and tech sector as Amazon and Walmart may be backing down from their drone delivery dreams. After much hype, the reality of logistical and regulatory hurdles are bringing these giants back to earth. Critics argue that drone delivery is not only impractical but also inefficient given current technology constraints. Moving on to the economy, UPS has just defied the market expectations with a stellar performance. Despite global economic challenges, UPS has reported impressive earnings exceeding Wall Street forecasts. Their success is attributed to strategic investments in technology and a robust delivery network that kept them ahead during these tough economic times. In local developments, a New York councilman is standing up for food delivery workers. He is pushing back against popular food delivery apps that are reportedly taking cuts from tips meant for workers. This move could lead to significant changes in how delivery apps operate, ensuring that tips go directly to those who earn them. This week in Southampton, controversy surrounds Grapevine Amusements Limited for their proposal for a new alcohol delivery service, utilize e-bikes for quieter deliveries and promises to minimize disturbances. Despite these measures, the residents and all the Millbrook councillors have raised their objectives due to concerns about traffic and noise. Thanks for watching. See you next week with more news and insights. Stay informed, stay safe.